forth to Hello Enugu State. We are here again for the Abacha Festival. We are here Kaimarundi na Abacha Ofuma between the Enugu, Anambra, Abia, Ebonyi Imo State. Kendi ka Abacha. Here I name na Ebano Tunnel in Enugu State. Come, let's feel it. Kaimari Penem in Enugu. Come, let's go. Hey beautiful. Hello. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Okay, what's your name?
Enyomachi. Enyomachi.
Where are you from?
Enugu State.
Where in Enugu State?
Ngo.
Hey. I would like you to say something in Ungo. Like tell me what is going on here in Ungo.
Aneme Abacha Festival in Kano.
Is that the only thing you know how to say in Ungo? Tell me more. I need to hear more. I mean, this is a cultural piece that we're doing here, so I need to hear more of the dialect. Tell me what we are doing here in your dialect.
Okay. Here in the main cabin, and you would the poster somewhere. Side them one kitty. So, my friends, now can be this event that's not looking very interesting. So, I'm in Kano to explore the place.
Oh my goodness! That was very interesting coming from you. Okay, are you here for somebody?
For someone? Yeah. No, I just came with my friends.
Randomly?
Yeah, randomly.
Would you like to get married to an Igbo man in the future?
Yes, I must marry an Igbo man.
From which state?
Enugu State is fine, but any state.
Any state? Any state is fine.
Yeah,
are you sure about that?
Igbo, yeah, it's fine.
As long as it's what?
Igbo.
Yeah. So you're not going to marry out of Igbo tribe?
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to? I don't want to. Okay. So I need you to tell me your expectations. You know why you're here. I mean, you have something you are looking out for. What are those things?
I don't know if I have expectations though, but then I was just hoping that it's going to be filled with cultural stuff. I get to see more Igbo cultural I don't know, activities here.
Hello beautiful, how are you doing today?
Fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yeah.
Abacha Festival. Have you stated Abacha before? Have you had Abacha before?
Yeah, my mom, she used to make.
Sorry, where are you from?
I'm from ABJ.
Abuja. Okay, would you say Abacha is a very good delicacy?
Very good.
Coming from the Igbo people.
I love it.
I say it's really nice. Okay, and I'm very sure you love Igbo guys, Igbo men.
Yeah.
If you are to get married someday to an Igbo guy, which state do you want him to come from?
Anambra.
Anambra. Okay. Alright. Why Anambra?
Actually, because they're Odogu. That's it.
Just they are the Odogu.
Yeah.
You don't care about the attitude, just the Odogu.
You will select. you select.
Hello, handsome.
Hello, very beautiful baby girl.
What's your name? May we know your name?
Yeah, I'm Pisha the Monkey Man.
What?
Pisha the Monkey Man.
Pisha the Monkey Man. Okay, Pisha, what are we doing here today?
Well, this is about the festival, of course.
A simple question.
Okay.
Would you like to marry an Igbo woman?
Yeah.
Give us 5 reasons why.
5 reasons. Because Igbo women they are beautiful now. Homely, respectful. They can cook, and they are beautiful. Like I don't know, many things.
What happens when you marry somebody that you really love and they don't know the person doesn't know how to cook?
And I'll teach her how to cook.
Wow.
Yeah, love precedes everything. Yeah, so my love will overshadow those things, and it's a beautiful thing for me to marry my desire.
Hey, beautiful lady.
Hi.
May we know your name?
Well, I'm Chibuzo, but my nickname is Love Cutie.
Love what?
Love Cutie.
Love Cutie.
You can call me Cutie.
You're actually really very cute. All right. What are we doing here today? I need to hear it from you.
It's the Abacha Festival, so that is what we are doing here today. So,
where are you from?
I'm from Imo State, Ehimembano.
Oh my God. Okay. And I'm very sure you would love to marry an Igbo man. Why not? Oh my god. Oh my god. Pick up from which states?
From Anambra, Udi. Oh yeah, anywhere, sure.
Anywhere, anywhere. You're actually so beautiful, and thank you for this. Thank you for answering me. You are looking a bit shy. Are you shy?
I'm very shy.
Alright. Can you do a 360 for me again? Yeah, please, please. Oh my gosh, she's from Imo State, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Kitty. Hello, T Bestie. T Bestie. You don't need to introduce yourself. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. I'm very good.
I'm so happy to see you today. Are you happy to see me?
Very well. Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing here today?
I was invited by a friend called Chris Penn, so I'm here today. So I came along with my sister.
All right. Is this your first time attending Abacha Festival?
Yes, definitely. This is my first time.
Okay. What are your
The advert on Facebook, so I decided to come.
okay? Where are you from, Chibesti?
From Enugu, Udi, precise.
Udi. So that means I'm going to have free palm wine on your head today.
No problem. No
Girl,
problem.
baby girl. What tribe would you like to get married to in the future?
What
Tribe.
Okay, Igbo, of course.
Igbo. Do you have any precision kind of like precise?
No.
Any part of it?
Yes, any part of Igbo.
Wow, that's interesting. I'm very sure you can make abacha.
Very well.
I am the